Let's take a look at the chart action for ADA or Cardano. So let's see. In the last video, I was looking at this resistance or this downtrend, something like this. And I was saying until we break this downtrend going to the upside, I'm targeting like 112, 110, somewhere around there. And it looks like we're getting support right now. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I was also saying maybe it'll hold support on this, my last target of 151, and it kind of looks like we are. So we have support right here, support right here. We got an uptrend going to the upside right there. Until we break this uptrend going to the downside, I'm kind of hoping that we can break through this bigger downtrend right here, and it does look like we're testing it right now. If we jump over the daily time frame, the other thing I'm looking at is we have this 180 moving average right here. So if we break above this, I think I'm targeting this area right here at around 190 approximately. The other thing is it lines up with this previous resistance right here, and what I'm thinking is maybe we can come up, trade in this area, and then break out and then target this area next. I think this is going to be the ultimate target around 2.28 when we can break this downtrend. I'm not sure if we're going to break it right here or if we're going to get rejected and go down a little bit more, but I think when we do break this downtrend, I think I'm going to be targeting ultimately this one right here. First target would be this one, and then this one. If we come down more, we'd be targeting this one. But for now, it looks like we might be breaking out. So the next one level would be around maybe 190, and then maybe we could target 2.27. And if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that there's resistance, resistance. If we draw a line right here, pretty much, you can see that just comes up every time we get rejected and kind of get pushed down. And so I'd be looking to maybe get a little bit of resistance, or at least maybe test it before we break out and try to test these other highs. But yeah, so first things first, we'd probably target this one, then this one. And the other thing I'm looking at though that I don't really like is that we don't have a lot of volume yet. So even if we break this trend line, what I would like to see us get is more volume, some green candles like this. Some green candles going to the upside a little bit bigger than the ones that we're getting right now. It looks like the volume's kind of declining. But if the volume is declining, that could be a sign of a breakout. Maybe it's heading down, and then we'll get a nice little spike up and we could start moving up over here. Basically, I have some positions sitting up here, and then I have a limit order in case it comes down here. I do like the way we're holding support right now. Let's see if we could break out and then come up and hit this first target, and then we'll see what happens there. If we come down or if we trade up here and get a breakout and go to the next target. Let me know if you think we're going to break out or if we're going to get pushed down and come maybe hit the limit order that I was looking at in my last video.